If you're a marketer, designer, team lead, or solo creator who needs to make presentations fast, whether for sales, clients, or brand updates, you've probably felt the pressure of "I need this deck yesterday." That's where AI-powered tools come in. Two of the standout platforms right now are Pitch and Beautiful.ai. Both promise to speed up the process, but they approach things in different ways. Here's how they compare, what each does best, and which one might be the smarter choice for your workflow. Let's begin with Pitch. Pitch describes itself as a modern presentation platform built for teams and iteration. It offers a clean editor, templates made for real-world use, real-time collaboration, and AI-powered draft generation. You can jump in, pick a template, give it a prompt, and the system gives you a draft deck. Then you refine, assign slides to teammates, share links, track engagement. For marketers, that means less time wrestling with slide layout. More time crafting story, message, visuals. The strength of Pitch is in its flexibility and team support. You're not just getting a design machine, you're getting a live workspace where your brand, your team, the content all move together. The AI features help jumpstart the deck, but the platform expects you'll polish, adjust, collaborate. On the flip side, some users say the AI is not perfect yet. It may misinterpret prompts. Some design options are limited or need refinements. Now let's look at Beautiful.ai. The promise here is speed and design assistance. You paste in content or add text and visuals, choose smart templates, and the tool takes care of layout, spacing, alignment. Users widely note that you can bang out. For marketers who need to spin up ad deck updates, client proposals, or social video storyboards, this is tempting. The magic is in how little you have to design, but the trade-offs. Because Beautiful.ai handles so much of the design logic automatically, you may feel constrained if you want very specific layouts or visual tweaks. Some users report that editing certain elements is harder, or that the templates feel more uniform. Also, there are reviews flagging billing issues and limited customization. So while it is fast, you may trade some creative flexibility for speed. Choose Dashlane Business if your priority is quick setup, very usable user experience, solid sharing tools, and you're comfortable with the cost. It is excellent for smaller teams who want strong security and ease. Choose 1Password Teams Business if your team needs advanced admin controls, granular permissions, guest contractor access, audit and compliance features, and you anticipate growth or complex workflows. In short, Dashlane is great for ease and immediate use. 1Password is great for control and future scale. Either choice will significantly improve your team's password security, sharing workflow, and risk posture. And the right pick is the one that aligns with how your team works, how fast you'll grow, and the level of control you want. That's it. Pick the one that fits your workflow, onboard your team, and make credential management one less worry in your day.